Yes, my people, Royal Urel out, once more. Yeah, man. Big pan there, in a whole harbour, sand catching same way. Left on a whole harbour tour, a sand catching tour, so we soon venture in a sand catching. St. Andrew, I should say. I want to go Senton also, I want to go all the way down to Westmoreland, island wide thing, me depend on people. Cross the island thing, Yeah, man. As I say, I used to work across the island. So I know a lot of places where I want to take soon. But say, I've come here so quite some time, This place here, normally, whenever it rain hard, flood out the whole place, come across the road. No vehicle can pass. Everybody will live up in the hills. Everyone will live up in the hills have to drive all the way around Spanish Town to reach back to them home. And it's like, I don't know why the government don't find a suitable route or a next route where they can divert the vehicle then, but the vehicles, I don't know why problem really. But for years, this have been going on, So them judge it the other day. Yeah, so it much deeper now and things like that. So here it is, my people. I want to come up here with some line, come test it out. You understand if it having any fish. Come see a lot of duck and teal, the wild ducks. Them inside there dive and own fish. See other birds come look fish too. Must have been fish. See the water move. Yeah, it's a body of water we're here for years and years after a fish. Yeah, so I'll try it out one of the day, my people. See what I go on. Yeah, so I have this in mind too, There's a fish gun I prepare right now. A spear gun for go to Mile Gully where I shoot the video the other day. Go shoot some fish and catch some with net or with hooks otherwise, So I'm planning for that, so I'm preparing myself for that right now. So you can look out for that video soon. Yeah. I know it's gonna be a wonderful, successful, prosperous, adventure whenever I go out there. So a lot of fish out there and I'm going back for them, trust me. Yeah, so I'm preparing myself right now to go in on some different type of adventure. It's been a while I don't enter into the farm area, so I soon go into the farm area. My farm bush up, stay bad, full of grass. Yeah, so lot of weeds. So I am going to go and few of my friends are, go out there and find some people where I can interview and let you know what's going on and get some herbs and show a lot of herbs and spices. Yeah, which we have to offer here, Yeah, like even Guinean weed were good for arthritis and them things there. I still have arthritis in my finger, all on my knee. But since I drink Guinean weed tea a few times, my knee no click on night time again. Whenever I used to walk, my knee used to click, 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 click. That now happen again. That does not. My finger used to swell up in the joints. Yeah. And that don't happen again. You understand? Doesn't happen again. So we give thanks for the Guinean weed, great Guinean weed. So a lot of bushes and herbs. As I said, the earth is the Lord and the fullness thereof, A lot of herbs, all the things we're searching for is right here on earth, Yeah, and the plants, Yeah, most of these things in the plants. Also in the soil, and but most of these things in the plants. So basically, the water, yeah, important, essential. So I'm showing you my people. This is Big Pond. All who don't know Big Pond. Yeah. And to tell you the truth, it's the first time I am coming so close to this, lake, Pass by, but never, ever come so close to evil. Can take a view of it like this, you understand? So I'm new to this too. First time for me too, So yeah, this is Big Pond, great Big Pond. Put out to all us all about it ready. Yeah, nobody can cross it. So this is, just one of the few places I have in mind to show you people, Hope you like this video. Yeah, I love this water, I love it. I am coming back here for certain, for sure. Yeah, coming back to catch some fish. Hopefully, whenever I come here, I am gonna be successful. Yeah, so this is it, my people. Yeah, man. Okay, stay there. Yeah. This is it, my people. Yes, my people, so you can leave something in the comment section and tell me what you think, you know, about Big Pond. Yeah, man. Tell me what I go on for Big Pond. Yeah, man.